apprentice with Cymru for 6 months. I'm a costume apprentice.
So my name is Aaron Jones and I'm an apprentice at Cymru.
So since I've been with Cymru, I've worked on a range of jobs. I've done a feature film called Mad Fabulous. I've worked on Round and I'm going to work on a small children's production called Gweithio.
So I've worked on a few different productions. I worked on Baech in North Wales a few months ago. That was my first production. I was in locations on that one. Then I went to work on Pictionary down in Cardiff in the camera team, helping the multicam operators on that. After that I went to parhau in Ario Studios. I was working in the camera team again. I was camera apprentice. I was doing all sorts, changing lenses, assistant DP, camera ops, clapperboard loading.
By far, my favourite piece of wet weather gear is my dry robe. It gets so cold on set, and especially when you're on location, and staying dry is so important.
Oh, that would be my dry robe. I love my dry robe. I was stood on a beach in absolutely Baltic weather, throwing it down, and I was perfectly happy in my dry robe. And anyone that says anything offensive against dry robes, don't care.
On my first day, I was full of nerves and excitement, but it was a brilliant whirlwind.
First day on the job, when I arrived on parhau, I was a little bit intimidated because the set was quite big, and I'd never really been in a studio of that size before, so it was a bit overwhelming. I took it in my stride though, met everyone, said hello to everyone, a few people I'd already worked with before in previous productions. So you know, a little bit nervous, but overall it was a really exciting day.
So, 3 words to describe being on set is crazy, fabulous and inspiring.
Chaotic, fun and busy.